and welcome to a replay of the live stream from the Classic Motor Show 2025.
Thanks for joining us. We are going out live on your socials, live from the Classic Car Show, Classic Motor Show 2025. There we go, some lovely biscuits there, there we go. Ford Capris, but we are on stands with the Transit Van Club. Let me give you some numbers. Ford Transit celebrating 60, that's 60 years this year in 2025. Ford Transit Van Club been going for, well, over 21 years now, and today we are fortunate enough to see Transit Supervans 1, 2 and 3 live here at the Classic Motor Show. Thanks for joining us, by the way. You're with me, Stevo, and this is going out live on your socials. I will try and contact you, but we're going out on more than one social today, so if you are trying to get through and I don't come back to you, I am sorry and apologise. So there we go. Here is Supervan 1 for you. That's the Andy Brown Ford custom V8, but it's more than a V8, and we'll have a look at this a wee bit later on. By the way, if you've just joined us, we are going out live at the minute, but don't worry, we'll replay the live stream later on. That's the Ford Supervan 2. This has honestly been like so busy today on stand, you wouldn't believe it. So there's the Ford Supervan 2, and that has attracted a lot of, look at those wheels, unbelievable. Wow, unbelievable. We'll get a look at the Andy Brown Supervan 1 just now, see what's going on. Right, we'll come back to that, a bit busy at the minute. There's Supervan 3. There we go, let's have a wee look up your pipes, if you'll pardon the expression. How's that for engineering? Pretty good, eh? And if you've just joined us, thanks for joining us. Going out live here at the Classic Motor Show 2025 from the NEC in Birmingham. There you go, check that for plumbing. Wow, amazing. That is the Supervan 3. There's a bit of stuff going on there. Originally the Supervan 2, and it's got a whole new front end on as well. Check those mirrors, how good is that? Wow, the real deal. And that is unbelievable. Just have a quick look around the vans at the moment, and we'll see what else is going on. There you go, Supervan 1, that is attracting interest. That is attracting interest. We'll get a look at that in a wee second. Formula 1 engine, way back in 1971 it all started out. Ran for a year, but check that plumbing. God, if I could weld like that, I'd be gifted. And check those drive shafts as well. So originally the Ford GT40 engine, which is megabucks. Megabucks. Wow, what a creation. Wow. Andy's been out polishing his chrome today as well. Fantastic. That is wide wheels, bubble arches. Alright, we'll have a wee wander about at the merch here on the Ford Transit Van stands. Look at that, 43rd scale, 18th scale. Exact, all for sale, by the way. And what the Ford Transit Van Club do is the proceeds are gifted to charity. Typically Macmillan, Parkinson's, prostate cancer, etc. Supervan. You can buy a Supervan of your own and cherish it with pride. Yeah, right, let's see what else we've got here. Ah, yes. James, if you're watching in black and white, this was back in the day. Oh, almost looking Mercedes-like, but I didn't say that, I'll get hunted. So, yeah, Ford Transit Ambulance, remember that. There's Martini livery, there's the Supervan 3 livery, there's Peter Lee, Mr. Transit Van himself, and of course Debs somewhere. Oh, these are amazing. It really is, it's like the Ford Transit Van history on wallpaper. Brilliant, brilliant. There it is. And one of the guys on stand today, Martin, that's his Ford Transit, and you can see the stainless steel floor there, and he built that. He's also got a Ford Cortina with a Ford Escort rear that is turned into a hatchback. I'll try and get some pictures of that at some stage. Posters galore. If you like posters and freebies, you're in the right place. Actually, some of these you'll have to buy, so don't take my word for it. Brilliant. Right, let's see what else is going on. It's late in the day here, it's after 5 o'clock. Show's on till 6 today, and there we go. Right, even the juniors having a look at the Ford Transits. Brilliant. 18th scale. There you go, there's your own collection of Ford Supervans. And Matchbox, yep, nice one, nice one. Okay, if you have missed our stream, don't worry, we'll go out a wee bit later on and we'll restream it.